Okay, so bringing those skills together, we may well be faced with a question such as this, where we've got a mixed number fraction, 2 1/3 plus 4/6. Now, the first question I always ask children, as you'll probably remember, I'll say we've got two problems here. What are our problems? What do we need to do? And the first thing that we need to do is sort out this mixed number. Now, we've been doing it by drawing arrows and working down the page to make our conversions before we then go across the page to get our final answer. First of all, we need to get rid of this mixed number. We want to work in fractions. Even if they're improper fractions, it's okay, because we can do our addition, and then at the end we'll probably need to convert back to make a mixed number, because Mr. Sats doesn't like answers left as improper fractions. So 2 1/3, we multiply the whole number by the denominator. 2 3s are 6 and 1 is 7. So we've got 7/3. We'll bring this one down as well. This is how we always lay it out. We work down the page. But we've got another problem here. That was our first problem. We had a mixed number we needed to convert. But we've got another problem here. We can't do our addition because our denominators are not the same. Now, I've kept the numbers nice and simple this time. We've got a 3 and a 6. So what we need to do here is we'll notice that 3 goes into 6. 3 is a factor of 6. Therefore, we can keep 4/6 the same again. But we will need to convert our 7/3 into 6ths. So what I'm going to do is I would need to double that 3 times by 2 in order to get to 6. So I need to do the same to the top. 7 times 2 is 14. 7/3 is the same as saying 14/6. We've multiplied the denominator by 2. We need to do the same to the numerator. Now it's a simple calculation because I'm dealing with fractions, albeit one of them being an improper fraction. That's not a problem though. The denominators are now the same, so I can simply add 14 and 4 is 18/6. We've got a problem here though, because Mr. Sats does not like improper fractions left as answers, so we need to convert it back into, in most cases, into a mixed number. But you might notice here that 6 is a factor of 18, which means that when we divide the numerator by the denominator, 18 divided by 6 is 3. So actually our answer is a whole number, 3. If you get a whole number as your answer, remember children, I've said this a lot this year, don't panic, don't think that you must be wrong. By all means, go and check. Okay, so 4/6 we brought down from the top, so there's nothing wrong there. 2 1/3, 2 times 3 is 6, add 1 is 7/3, so that's the correct improper fraction. I want to turn it into 6ths though, so I've had to multiply the denominator by 2. I need to do the same to the numerator, so 14/6, 14/6. This is all correct. 14 and 4 is 18. 18/6, 18 divided by 6 is indeed 3.